Welcome guys, today we are taking you on a full tour of every vehicle in Logan Paul's insane car collection, from his rugged G-Wagon to his exotic supercars. See exactly how a YouTube famous boxer spends his money on his incredible fleet of cars. Logan Paul, from YouTube king to WWE superstar, the guy has built an empire on being completely unpredictable. And his car collection? It's just as insane. It's a garage that's as bold and crazy as he is. Basically, it's a perfect reflection of him. Fast, loud, and always making a statement. Today, we're going on a full tour of every single car in his fleet, from a monster G-Wagon to some seriously quirky custom rides. This is about to be one of the craziest collections we've ever looked at. The off-road beast. Alright, first up is the absolute king of his garage. This thing just screams Logan Paul, the Mercedes-Benz G550 4x4 squared. He calls this all-white beast the Yeti. And yeah, look at it, it's a giant. This is not your normal SUV. It's an off-road monster. It's got a 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine with over 416 horsepower. It's just so much power. But the craziest part is the portal axles. They give it 17.2 inches of ground clearance. It can go places other cars wouldn't even dream of. And of course, he couldn't leave it stock. He added a snowplow, massive black rims, and a custom exhaust. The value is somewhere between $200,000 and $250,000. Are you serious? For one car? Oh my god! This thing is impossible to miss. The American Muscle. Okay, next up, this car. Bro, this car. I know this one a little too well. It's his Dodge Challenger SRT8, one of his first big car purchases. If you're new here, this is the car I actually bought, completely customized, and then tried to give back to him. It turned into my craziest story yet. Anyway,